Hello there, my name is Madison, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a green tea shot. As a bartender myself, this is one of my favorite shots because it's so easy, it's so simple, and it only requires a few ingredients. Whether or not you're a bartender yourself, wanting to learn a new shot to recommend to your guests, or just need a new shot to impress your friends on a night out, this shot will not disappoint. It's tea-licious. Anyway, before we get started, here's a quick reminder from our sponsor, Your Future Hangover. Oh my head. I could do it. 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 Hello, I'm your future hangover. And I'm here to tell you to drink responsibly. Because if you have too many of those, you'll end up like this. Drink responsibly. I'm going back to bed. Somebody bring me Chipotle. Okay, let's get started. This shot only requires you to have 3 ingredients, which is another reason why I love it because it's so simple and it's so good. The most important ingredient in this shot is our Jameson Irish whiskey. I wouldn't recommend making this shot with any other whiskey because it's really just not going to taste the same. It's not going to have the same balance. The next thing you're going to need for this shot is peach schnapps. I'm almost out. Any brand will do on that. And again, any brand for your sweet and sour. Also, you're going to need some ice to chill your shot. Next is the bartender tools that we'll be using to make this shot. Those include your pour spouts, which you place on top of your bottles. Also a shaker tin with a strainer on top. You will also need some shot glasses to serve your shots in. If you're making more than one, make sure you have a friend nearby to enjoy with. So now that we have everything we need, I will explain the simple pouring and counting technique. So basically 1 count is 1/4 of an ounce. 2 counts, half an ounce. 3 counts, 3/4 of an ounce. 4 counts, a whole ounce. You see where I'm going with this. So there's like a little bit of math involved when you're bartending. It's important to count at a steady pace, not too slow and not too fast. I mean, you know, you don't want to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of the day, it really is about proper measurement, and that's why we use the counts. But the more you practice, it does get pretty simple. Whew, that was a lot of talking. Let's drink. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 1 ounce of Jameson. We'll start by filling up our shaker tin with some ice. Don't worry, my hands are clean. I'm a bartender. I don't know. All right, I go about a little under halfway. You don't really need a lot of ice. You're just trying to chill the shot. So, all right, 1 ounce of Jameson. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half ounce of peach schnapps. 1, 2. And you're gonna do a splash of sweet and sour, so about a half an ounce if you're measuring. If you know what you're doing, yeah, eyeball it. There we go. So then, you're gonna put your cap on. Make sure this part is on or else, whoo, booze everywhere. All right, and then we're gonna shake. There's really no way to do this. If you see people trying to, you know, make it look cool, it's honest. And take the cap off. Get your shot glass, and we pour. Perfectly. 2 ounces. All right, and that's our shot. As you can see, it looks like green tea if you're a green tea drinker. It also tastes like green tea, even better. Well, that's it. You've officially learned how to make a green tea shot. Oh, of course, we have to drink it. Duh, how could I forget? Cheers. Whew, that's good. Whew. Hello? I know. Last night was lit. Oh, no, that's totally fine. Why? What are you up to? Mexican candy shots? I'll be right there.